What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start feature on a 2023 Toyota Sequoia. So we're going to take a look at how to remote start the vehicle using the factory key fob, even though there's no dedicated remote start button. So in order to remote start the vehicle using the factory key fob, what we're going to do is press the lock button twice quickly, and then we're going to press it a third time, but we're going to hold it down for about 4 or 5 seconds. So 1, 2, and then the third time press and hold it down. And then you'll see the lights flash, and the vehicle will start. And from what I read, the vehicle will run for 10 minutes before automatically turning itself off. It's also going to turn off if we hit the unlock button from the key fob. And if you don't actually press the unlock button, but you walk up to the door with the key fob in your pocket and open the door, that will also turn the vehicle off. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.